Hello, today we're gonna speak in our web native API about MediaDevices API. It's similar to previous video about screen capture. It's gonna use same media device but with a bit another function inside. So it's gonna be short video. I'll open source in description and in summary. And let's check demo. For this demo we need demo for MediaDevices API and we can start camera. Yeah, I already have camera in my OBS, so for me it's, if even I pay attention, I have a use available cameras, yeah, OBS or this one. But if I allow permission denied or camera or no camera, it's because my camera is already on OBS. Let me deactivate it on OBS. Chpunk, and start camera there. Hello, I'm now here. Yeah, you see. And now it's work like this. Like you can access your camera and show you exactly an interface. It's needed for some usually AI projects when you need to do some recognition on your face, or in some stuff like communications, Google Meet, and other ones. So you can do it fully web native way. Let's check how it's work. Actually, let me return my camera. Hello. Now let's check how it's working code. By path it's this one and this one. By compatibility it's the same like in previous video. It's compatible everywhere instead of Node.js, but Node.js we're not gonna use like users, like simple users. So in use media devices we use this stream like in a previous hook, and for start we are again use media devices, but here we use another function, get user media, and in previous we use get display media. So let's close previous one, and we actually do set stream in our use state way. You can check in summary how you can do it in another frameworks. And in video ref current is object, we get media again, like in the previous one. And for stop we just have a stream stop function for tracks, but for us it's gonna be one track with our camera. But if you have some communication with many people, it can be a lot of tracks. Start stop active and no stream. So if we check in our media devices demo, we have a start on a handle start button, it's just started, or otherwise permission denied if it's already like camera is already used for start. Yeah, if it's not gonna work correct this function. And for stop it's understandable, we stop all our tracks by just stop function. And when it's active, when it's not active we show start camera and stop, and otherwise if it's active we show our video ref that actually like our video ref here. And pay attention, in this demo I use video ref inside hook. Like this we get assigned here inside, but in a previous video you notice I use it in let me actually show you screen capture demo. It was previous video about web native hook that you can capture your screen like OBS. Here we use it like this, so it's like whatever you want, whatever is more useful for you. You can use it inside hook or you can use it outside hook. In a React we're not gonna concentrate on this because the people use another frameworks also. So all you need to do is remember that you need this current SRC object like to connect there. And it's all what I want to show you about this media devices. It's easy, you can use your camera and like be happy. Let's go to summary. Just some summary about any hook that I showed you before in the video. All open source code you can find in description in a GitHub repository that fully open source. And you can also find a playground here. In playground you can create like add pull request with your own hook, or you can test my hooks that I already added here. It's fully native, you can use it in your projects. I also add filter, but it's just, you know, for some fun. And pay attention, one important thing, you need to enable experimental web platform features for some of the hooks. It's only for most advanced ones, but still in some videos I'm gonna show advanced API hooks, so pay attention that this in Chrome Flux in address this experimental platform features it's enabled, and it's all this playground gonna work for you in a good way. And last thing that I want to discuss with you, all these hooks, it's React way, yeah? It's written on React, but if you want to use Vue or VanillaJS, Angular, Svelte, etc., how you can do it easily. I just want to show you, it's like some bonus. For example, let's take use clipboard. I don't know about what hook I'm gonna speak with this video, because it's summary video. For us, you can take every hook like this, like I showed you. Use clipboard, and you can open like Grok, for example, and in Grok we just can write prompt like you can just go to Vue, VanillaJS, Svelte, etc. Let me even write for Svelte just to show you, and you can just copy these hooks. In my case it's like I will copy it from GitHub, and clipboard demo I also gonna copy all this code for clipboard demo, and I also add this here in a Grok in my way, but you can use GPT, DeepSeek, whatever AI model you want. And here you can see that it just can easily convert this React way to another framework, even vanilla JavaScript. You see, because the most important one usually it's API itself. But if you don't want like to rewrite it yourself, you can just ask it like this. And you can see that in VanillaJS even it's created some use clipboard functions, like it's named it in React use hooks way, in React community way. But in Vue, how you know in a Vue 3, use hooks with this convention, like from React. Here we can see for vanilla JavaScript it's created for Vue in composition API. You can also ask in old version of API, not in composition one, but I recommend you use composition, of course, for now in Vue, because it's a modern one. And for example, in Svelte, even it's pay attention, it's not use clipboard, because in Svelte it's usually like functions, but still you see it's created some hook way function with subscribe set for writable. It's a Svelte store here, but in our case it's not matter, and still it's gonna have same logic that I show you in React. It's gonna just copy your clipboard in this way, and for all other hooks it's gonna work different, similar, sorry, not different. Anyway, let's go. With all these knowledges, you're gonna be good in a native web API. Yes, Uncle Ivan.